Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to go over some Model Y accessory. The company Teslaunch sent me a few accessories for the Tesla Model Y, and I'll be going over them. So first up, they sent me a sunshade. You can see it comes with the storage case and then all the tabs. One side has a reflective material, and then the other side is black. And and this one is foldable. Then they also sent me some mud flaps for the front and rear, and here you have the installation screws. Next is this dash cover, dash mat. This is like a flannel material. It comes in black and brown. So we'll install that in a little bit. And then finally they sent me a windshield umbrella. So this will cover the front windshield. It has the back is black, and then the front has the reflective material. Okay, taking a look at the dash mat. It has a non-slip surface on the bottom. So you can see here, I'm pushing it, it doesn't move around. And basically you just have to just unfold it. And you have the Tesla logo on the side here. So you can see it fits pretty well. You'll probably just have to put something on the top so the crease will even out, but yeah, this should help in those sunny days. Again, there's the Tesla logo. So this is the dash mat. Again, this comes in a black or a brown. Okay, next up is the sunshade, the windshield sunshade. It looks like it's by 5'11". So let's go ahead and check it out. So this has an umbrella type design, so it just opens up like an umbrella. Okay, so I have the sunshade open. Again, it's just like an umbrella. You just push it up and then it opens up here. You have this Velcro strap to secure the top part, and then you can put your visor down. I think it does an okay job. There's good coverage, and as far as storing it, it's pretty compact, and it comes in this nice storage case, so you can probably just put it in the side of your door, or in the back seat. So it's space-saving design, easy to install. The handle here does fold, so if you don't want it hitting your screen, you can probably just fold it and then just have it on the side here so it doesn't damage your screen. I do have a screen protector, so that's an extra protection for the screen. Now we're going to look at the roof sunshade. This comes in 2 pieces, and it's foldable along with the storage case. Basically, we're going to install the tabs. There's about 10 tabs, and then it just slides in to place along the roof. So I'm going to go ahead and put it together, and then I'll show you the installed product. So here's the front shade unfolded. Again, you have the reflective material on the top, and then there's a label here. It says Model Y front, so you know which part goes where. And just have to install these tabs along the edges, and then slide it into place. Okay, I have the front and rear shade installed. Again, there's a label on the top of each of the shade. Here it has a front, and then on the rear you also have a label that says rear. Basically, you just have to install the tabs on the front and on the sides of each part of the shade, and then just slide it into place. So one thing I did notice is that the tabs, when you're lifting up the shade, they tend to fall out. So you might want to have an extra set of hands to help you out, so you can raise it and then just slide the tabs into place. But overall, it seems like a decent fit. I don't see any gaps. And as I was installing this, I could definitely feel the heat without the shade, but now that I have it, it's a lot cooler. There is a section here in the middle where for the Model Y, where basically you have this other buckle or tab that just makes it more flush, but it is a little bit of a tight squeeze here. I didn't force it in the upholstery, so I'm just gonna leave it off. But yeah, it's holding up. It doesn't sag or anything, and you know, you still get the headroom. So again, this is the Sunshade with the reflective top, and it has the black bottom. Okay, I've installed the front and rear mud guards. Basically, there's 2 fasteners for each side, and then it clips onto the right. You have to remove the existing fastener and then use the accompanying fasteners to hold it down. So there's 2, and that's how it looks. So here's a look at the rear. Same as the front. Basically, there's two fasteners, and then it clips onto the side, and then you have to use the 10mm bolt on the bottom. What I found is that the original fastener all the way to the far end there, you have to use the ones that come with it. It's too long, so it won't lock into place. So you can see the difference. That's the one that comes with it, and in the back is the original one. And then here's a look at the other side. So we'll see how it holds up, but installation probably took no more than 15 minutes. Okay, so these are the accessories that Teslaunch sent. I put everything in the description box below, so if you want to check them out, feel free to click the links. We looked at the dash mat, the windshield shade, roof shade, and the mud guards. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.